na pong ating programa dito lang pa rin po sa Pinoy Extreme Channel. Kaya naman po, kilalanin po natin ang ating fantastic guest na magkasama today. Please welcome ang ating Miss Ambassadress Queen 2024 para sa Elegante and Dobra at ang Mrs. Elegante World International Philippines 2025 na si Maria Soriano. Hello po, ma'am! Yan po. Welcome po sa aming show.
Hello everyone!
Yes, good morning po, madam. Yes po, welcome po. Maupo muna tayo, ma'am. Ayan po. Maraming salamat. Oh my God. Welcome po kayo sa aming show, ma'am. So, thank you so much po sa pagpunta at pagbisita. Pero bago ang lahat, bumati muna kayo sa ating mga kapwan barkada na nakatutok ngayon sa buong universe.
Thank you po. Good morning, mga fun barkada. And salamat po for having us here. Super excited po kami na makasama kayo today. This morning. Good morning po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone! Blessed morning to all of us, especially to the viewers of Fun and Love. So yeah, thank you po for having me here. Enjoy watching.
Yes, thank you so much din po. So ngayon pag-usapan natin si Ma'am Ann Dobra muna. Pag-usapan natin ang kanyang pagiging youth volunteer at public servant niya bilang isang SK Councilor. Yes, Ma'am Ann?
Hello po. So, I am a public servant and a youth volunteer in our community. And at the same time, I am pursuing my degree or my career which is in the maritime industry po. So, yes, I'm also into a pageantry and I'm one of the first ever brand ambassadress queen and a model or runway model of Under the Paris de Elegante Couture, also known or evolved into a Elegante World International.
Wow! Ngayon pag-usapan natin po ang kanyang pagiging graduate of BS Marine Transportation, right?
Yes po.
Wow, amazing. Grabe naman yun. Ang dami mong manamang, are you studying now?
I am an associate graduate po of BSMT po.
Wow, ang galing naman. Hindi lang siya beauty queen, isa pa na siyang marine, right? Wow, oh my God. Ayan po, si Ma'am Maria Soriano po, pag-usapan po natin kanyang, or ano bang pinagkaabalan bilang isang mamshi?
Bilang isang mamshi, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I am a full-time mom, a single mom at that. And andito po yung anak ko ngayon, while outside. Si Gavin, sinamahan niya po ako ngayon. He's very supportive. I work primarily from home. I have US clients and I do their marketing and all that. But on the side, na-introduce po ko sa pageantry.
Wow, grabe.
Miss Graciel Santos Suarez, the founder of Elegante World International.
Grabe naman yun. Ngayon, Ma'am Maricel, pag-usapan natin po ang pagiging former BPO manager, right?
Yes.
Grabe. So,
Yes, indeed.
yes, ma'am?
Ayan.
Ano po yun, ma'am? Isa kang former BPO manager? Isa kang BPO manager sa isang
Yes.
bank? Tama po?
BPO, like in the call center industry. So I graduated year 2003 from Miriam College. So I'm one of the youngest here. I'm one of the youngest here, or the youngest at heart. Okay, so, but then at that time, medyo nabuboom po yung BPO industry. And that was I was super eager po ako na magkaroon ng work. And that was the first that I was successful at my first interview. So that's where, I established myself primarily. And I was in the BPO industry for 10 years. I handled teams. So I pretty much love dealing with people and motivating people.
Wow. Ma'am, matanong ko lang, paano mo siya pinagsabay bilang isang pageantera, mamshi, tapos isa ka pang BPO manager? Paano mo siya mapagsabay?
At that time, it was just work. And then my son came along. And then yung son ko, he showed interest in commercials. And then along the way, nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, that's when I thought of giving it a go. Kasi I also had a passion for acting and all that.
Wow.
And then along the way po, I got connected with this really wonderful lady.
Wow, na ngayon
Miss
naman.
Rachel again, I want to say. And she was the one who actually encouraged me to go for pageantry, which I didn't quite entertain at first. Kasi maliit ako. Yeah.
Pero ang cute niyo, ma'am.
Thank you.
So pag-usapan natin ang kanyang pagiging best catwalk sa out of
Oh,
300
yes.
model.
Yes, out of 300 models at the International Riau Fashion Week, that was just last year, but it still seems so fresh in my brain. The way I slipped on the stage. Yes, I slipped on the stage. But I guess I was just so quick to just pick myself up because that's how I am. I feel like every time this sounds so like what Atisa Manalo said. Pero ayun nga po, I feel like every time something like that happens.
Okay,
Best thing is, you just pick yourself up and carry on and do your thing and, just give it to
Yes.
them.
Si Ma'am Ann naman, si Ma'am Ann Dobra, pag-usapan na naman natin, ba't naman nakapasok ka naman o naisipan ng pumasok sa isang bilang pageantry?
Well, for me po, it is my passion. Like, even though na maliit din po ako, so it's really my passion and I'm really into modeling, into pageantry, and I really want to inspire not only the people around me, but also especially is to really uplift myself, to really motivate and to have a confidence in myself po. So yes, I really into pageantry po and I really want to inspire the people po around me.
Wow. Si Ma'am Ann ba, matanong ko lang, may mga ano ka ba, may mga kalaban ka na o may mga nakasama ka ng isang kandidata na masama ugali, ganyan, tinatago yung isang mga parang sinasabotahe ka. May nangyari na ba sa inyo yun, ma'am? Wala naman.
Well, to be honest, wala pa naman po. All of them are really into sisterhood. And I'm really, really grateful na I have sisterhood and family that I can count on to po, especially with regards to the stage po, to the ramp po.
Mahirap ba bilang isang pageantera sa mga kailangan ba talaga pag pumunta ka sa isang lugar kailangan or kagaya ni Madam syempre ganyan na siya kailangan yung corona mo talaga kailangan ipagmalaki mo siya bawal ka ba magsuot ng mga lusyang sa bahay kailangan talagang ganun talaga kailangan healthy o neatly ka tingnan sa maraming tao.
Ideally, yes. Because that's a complete package. But you have to make sure that it's also matched with your ability to connect with people, I think, most importantly, because that's what pageantry is all about, connecting with people and empowering them. And of course, making sure that what they see first off is pleasing to the eye, I think.
Wow, grabe. Ngayon naman si Mama, pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang, ano ang nararamdaman mo at tinanghal ka bilang isang Binibining Pulido 2023?
Well, to be honest po, I joined Binibining Pulido twice. At first, it is my first ever pageant outside school. So, it's really unforgettable for me. So, I came back much stronger, much wiser, and much prepared. And that's why I bagged all of the major awards that time and as well as the title po. And it really gave me a chance to represent my community in the municipality level, which is Miss GMA 2024 po.
Wow! Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang naramdaman na tanghalin siya bilang isang Mrs. Ambassador Queen 2024 sa Paris di Elegante.
So, ayun po, during Miss GMA, of course, we have 27 barangays po. We are competed each other and I'm really grateful po that Miss Gracia Suarez po chose me to be their first ever ambassador's queen to their Paris de Elegante Couture that is now a Elegante World International. So it's really, really, I'm really happy and honored that they given me the chance and the opportunity to be under them po. And right now, because of them, I'm here po.
Wow, grabe. Kailangan talaga yung mga queen natin, kailangan pag magsalita talaga sila, kailangan talaga English, no? Napansin ko kasi sa dami ko nakausap na mga queens talaga, kailangan talaga magsalita sila English. Pero si Ma'am Ann ba, ano ba ang kanyang advocacy bilang isang pageant?
Well, I have 3 advocacies po. First, I am an advocate of youth awareness and youth development. Second, I am a advocate as well of a environmental awareness, action to restore and thrive in health education, in short, earth education, and lastly, promoting violence and promoting safety education po. So, all of those advocacies that I have po, I believe it's really important, especially in our community na we are the second largest population in GMA. So it's really important that we are informed about it, not only it's really important that we are into politically and environmentally and socially aware to our surroundings po. That's why I'm advocating these causes po.
Wow, grabe. Si Ma'am Maria naman, Ma'am Maria Soriano, pag-usapan naman natin, bakit naman napasok ka sa pageantry?
Oh, I'll have to end up repeating myself. Pero yun nga po, it's because I got connected with Miss Gracia
Crisel.
Suarez, and she was the one that encouraged me. And then my first question or my main concern was, height requirement. Although kasi before, I used to watch pageants when I was a kid. I mean, mga Miss Universe, so I loved it. Pero hindi kasi ako masyado tumangkat, So, hindi ko siya na-pursue.
Hindi ka nag-try na nag-audition sa Miss Universe kasi alam mo kasi ngayon ang Miss Universe natin is tanggap na lahat.
Right,
So it
right,
either
opo.
na siya, kung anong uri ka ng tao, tawag dito bakla ka man or something.
Yes.
Basta pasok ka, kaya mo rumampa, pasok ka na sa Miss Universe. Hindi mo naisipan.
No, I didn't. That's why I'm really thankful.
Pero ano naman ang masasabi, si Ma'am ano naman ang masasabi mo ngayon nga sa Miss Universe ngayon kasi di ba dati kailangan talaga binibini ka talaga, kailangan wala kang ano ang masasabi mo no Miss Ana, parang ngayon pangkalahatan na is welcome na siya sa lahat na sa lahat ng mga pwedeng rumampa. Anong masasabi mo doon?
So, based po doon, I actually really amazed na they are more inclusive and diverse with regard to that platform. So, nagbibigyan po siya ng maraming
Totoo po.
opportunity and chances to all of the women po, not only in the Philippines but all over the world. So, yes, I'm really happy na they opened that platform po to everyone.
Kasi open na sila sa lahat. Si Ma'am ano yun? Nagulat ako dito Si Ma'am Maricel naman, tawag dito. Anong masasabi mo, madam, na tawag dito, open na sa sala sa Miss Universe? Kasi dati bawal talaga pumasok. Kailangan may qualification sila na makapasok ka sa Miss Universe. Ma'am Maricel, anong masasabi mo doon po?
Maria po.
Maria
Or
pala,
Giovanna.
sorry.
Yes.
Sino si Maricel?
Oo nga.
Ma'am Maria pala, si Ma'am Maria. Maria, sorry. Kasi
Yes.
Maricel Soriano.
Oo nga eh.
Oo,
Soriano.
nabanggit. Oh my God!
My other,
Si Ma'am Maria pala, Maria Soriano.
Apo,
Ma'am,
ano po yung
ano po yung
first,
masasabi ngayon
about
sa Miss Universe na open na po sa lahat?
Yes, okay, yun ulit. I'm actually also, like what she said, it's something that I value, yung inclusivity, because I think that is what we should have more of these days. And for us to understand also
Yes.
other people and to widen our reach. Yeah, about inclusivity, so I'm also very happy that we've come to this point, and I think it's something that we should continue.
Yes, pero
Not only in pageants, I think.
Okay,
Oh,
pero
also another-
hindi naman pwede namin hindi kayo susubukan na makita sa inyong Queen Walk o mabigyan nyo kami ng pangmalakasang kato. Kasi actually number 1 tayo trending ngayon Maraming nag-tweet na parampahin daw si Ma'am Maria Soriano po muna ang ating unahin. Ma'am Maria, marami po nag-tweet, ma'am. Pwede ba
Oh, really?
ikaw
Okay.
rumampa, ma'am?
Opo, sige.
Okay
Let's
po,
do
ma'am.
this.
Ayan po.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen po, palakpakan po natin, Ma'am Maria Soriano.
Everybody line up! The show is about to start. Everybody line up! The show is about to start. Places.
Wow, grabe naman yun. Amazing yung paglakad niya. Talagang fair na fair yung paglakad niya. Very elegant. Pero ngayon naman, si Ma'am Ann.
Sure
Ma'am Ann,
po.
marami nag-tweet, Ma'am Ann. Pwede daw ba ikaw Romampo ang magbigyan ng isang catwalk?
100% sure po.
Yes po. Well, second po palakpakan po natin, Ma'am Ann.
Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista.
Wow, grabe naman. Tunay napakagaling ang lakad palang binibining marakit na ang datingan. Pero ito na ang inyong pagkakataon, ma'am. Si Ma'am Maria muna, Ma'am Maria Soriano, para mag-promote ng inyong sa mga darating na event or mga any event na aabangan ng ating mga followers.
Hello, everyone. We would like to invite you to the upcoming Elegante World International runway this October 5 at yan po ay sa Vista Mall, Dasmariñas. And to get more details or to know more, just visit the FB page of Elegante World International.
Yes,
And
baka,
andun po yung the criteria per category and who you should contact. And then po yung there's a contact number there.
baka may pasalamatan ka, ma'am, sponsor.
A sponsor.
Yeah.
That's po. Thank you everyone for watching. Sa anak ko si Gavin, who's outside. Of course, kay Miss Rachel Suarez, who organized. She's a founder of this. And of course, the Paris Elegante fashion couture line. Pero if you guys wanna follow me on social media, you just need to look up Maria Giovanna Soriano on Facebook and Instagram. Pero wag po kayo masyadong mag-expect, hindi kasi ako masyadong nagpo-post.
Yes,
Ano na?
maraming salamat,
Salamat.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. How about
Thank you.
Yes, maraming salamat, Ma'am
Thank you
Maria.
po.
Of course. Miss Ann, ayan po, ito na yung pagkakataong para mag-promote or mga followers mo sa Facebook, tawag nito, upcoming event mo, sponsor, etc. etc. Go, ma'am.
Hello again, everyone. So first and foremost, I would like to thank the whole production. Thank you, Fun and Love. Thank you po for
Yes.
having us here. And secondly is, I would like to thank the founder of the Paris d'Elegante Couture or the Elegante World International, Miss Rachel Suarez, and of course, to the people who always keep on believing, supporting, and seeing potential in me, to the people who are behind of all of my success, to my family, to Kuya Kyle, to my mama, Yan Leona. So yes, thank you for watching us, and to all the young viewers here today that are watching, just keep believing in yourself, just push pursuing your dreams, and be yourself. Thank you po.
Yes, yes, social media, ma'am. Pahabol mo social media para abang at i-follow ka nila sa ating milyon na Berto Test Twitter ngayon na nag-tweet doon. So, malay mo, may mga followers niyo po, ma'am. Social media account.
So, hello po. So, my name on social media is Curtin Nina Leona. So, I'm not currently into a pageantry or modeling, but makikita niyo po sa Facebook ko is more on board na, more on sea travels na po. So, yes, you can follow me for ads.
Yes, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Ann at saka Ma'am Maria. Maraming salamat for sharing your story. Grabe, maraming na-inspired sa kwento niyo sa buhay. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, pero sa ating pagbabalik, guys, makakasama naman natin ang fantastic guest sa pagbabalik yan po sa programang Sigurado ang Fun at Sure na Sure ang Love, ang Fun and Love with Ron.
And love, nood ka na dito. Fun and love, at na ma-enjoy mo. Fun and love, masaya dito. Fun and love, tutok na tayo. Kung gusto mo na tumawa, tutok na tayo.